In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Proton Mail. If you're like many users who prefer a more subdued and visually comfortable email interface, especially when working late into the night, this guide is just what you need. So let's jump right in and make your Proton Mail a little easier on the eyes. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Proton Mail website. Open your preferred web browser and type in mail.proton.me. Once you're there, log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Proton Mail's interface is quite user-friendly, so you should find yourself on the main inbox page without any trouble. Next, to access the settings, look towards the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll notice a gear icon which represents the settings menu. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Proton Mail has made sure that all the settings you might need are easily accessible from this menu. Now, within the settings menu, you'll want to focus on finding the Themes section. This section is where you'll have the opportunity to customize the appearance of your Proton Mail interface. Scroll through the options available to you. When you see Dark Mode or the Ebony theme, this is where you'll want to make your selection. Both options offer a similar dark aesthetic, which is great for reducing glare and making the screen easier on your eyes in low-light situations. Once you've selected your preferred dark theme, you should immediately notice the change take effect. The interface will shift to a darker color palette, providing a sleek and stylish look. Not only does this look fantastic, but it can also help reduce eye strain, especially when checking your emails in dim lighting or during nighttime hours. And there you have it. Enabling dark mode on Proton Mail is as simple as that. With just a few clicks, you've transformed your email experience into something more visually appealing and comfortable. Remember, if you ever wish to switch back to the standard mode or try another theme, just head back into the settings and make your changes. I hope you found this guide helpful and that your eyes are now thanking you for the switch. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and enjoy your new dark-themed Proton Mail.